Look at that rain. Woo! Watch, I'm gonna crack the window. So folks, I just came from my house. I had to go get my windbreaker. Why? Because we still going to the Micronesia Fair, and guess what? We're gonna make lemonade. I'm playing in the rain today. So good evening, Planet Guam. I had to park up the street. Good exercise anyways. And then I will be headed towards the crosswalk. After the crosswalk, down there, hop over, and then we're at Ipao Beach. And we are here at the Guam Micronesia Island Fair. Nice and wet. And that is why there's a few that came out. I'm here to support the vendors because we got a lot of food at home, but these vendors are gonna lose money. So it's good to come out and support them. And there's GPD. Hello, buenas, buenas everybody. There's GPD. Keep an eye, make sure things are going accordingly. So you have a sense of safety out here when you have the Guam police in force. Gets muddy when it rains, so be careful. I intend to get wet today, so if it rains, it's okay. I came prepared. If you have any questions, this is the tent you go to right here. This is media, news or something. Oh, I see that. Echoes, generating voices, moving island features. So this is National Museum of Prehistory. Hello, hi everybody.
Hi.
Also, you guys are all from Taiwan?
Yeah, we are.
Wow.
Welcome to Taiwan.
20-person delegation from Taiwan.
So could you tell us a little bit about your display and your tent?
First of all, we are the National Museum of Prehistory in Taiwan, and this time we are very glad to join the GM9F. So we invite all the indigenous people, Austronesian people who can have the performance, and we have also invited the boat maker and the voyager to come with us. The most important thing because we want to have more collaboration with Guam, and even to learn and share our culture with each other.
You're here to teach about Taiwan's history?
Sorry?
You're here to teach about Taiwan's history?
Just wanna take this moment to say things ain't been right since you got my that we said, and I know we hurt each other sometimes. Still I know our love is stronger than all the negativity. Baby, just look in my eyes.
Oh, you're Calvin's friend. Oh, nice to see you. You got a very.
I recognize your voice.
Oh, yes, you got a very wonderful husband. Yes. Doing God's work. That's all you.
I've been watching you.
Oh, you have.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I recognize your voice. I'm like,
Where's Calvin?
he went home.
Oh, that's the reason I came out, because I wanted to say hi to him.
He's tired. He should be here later.
This is made by Calvin Holloway. If I were you guys, man, you guys need to get one of his collection. I didn't even know he could do work like this. Look at his work. You know, your husband is so humble. I didn't know he had skills like this. How about you? Do you do work too?
I do the finishing and stuff like that.
Oh, so the teamwork.
Yeah, but
Wow.
most of the design, it was Calvin. It wasn't.
Wow. Well, Calvin has skills I didn't even know of.
God gave him the talent.
Yes, yes. So glory to God. Oh, praise God. Yes. It was nice talking to you. Yes, I'm going to swing by again and hopefully I catch Calvin, okay?
He'll be here later.
Okay, so I'll stop by later.
Okay, God bless you.
Okay, God bless you too. These are handmade? Oh, look at them. Oh, nice. Oh, nice handmade. How long does it take to make one of these?
3 hours, 2 to 3 hours.
More than 3 hours? Wow. Look, and they're really cute too. I like that starfish. And folks, we are at Frank the Crank. Oh, look at this machete. And right there's Frank the Crank. Look at this. Yes, hello. Oh, look at his knife. Oh my God. Frank the Crank. Nice, nice. Look at his collection, folks. And it has his name right up there. Rainy days are out here, folks. The rain or shine, it's always out here. Support the cause.
Love of my life. Just wanna take this moment to say things have been right. Since you got my faults and failures on display, and I know we can take back the words that we said, and I know we hurt each other sometimes. Still I know our love is stronger than all the negativity. Baby, just look in my eyes. No one knows me like.
Thank you for your support. Thank you for
You're my one and only
what's your name?
sweetheart.
Thank you,
Every
Zachary.
day I try
Watching Planet Guam. Are you guys having? I know
remember
it's
the
raining, but
reason
are you
that
guys
you
having a
love
pretty
me
time?
from the start.
So far, good.
I see moments of love,
The vendors.
heart grows
Support
fond.
culture. Well,
You every day of my
Thank you, Zachary. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I told you before, if you ever in doubt, baby, take a look in my eyes. Our love, as slow as the sun, will shine on the eye. Know that you're all I want on the side.
There you go.
And I promise to give everything from my heart for you, honey. I'll never lie. I'll never lie. I'll never lie. For you, honey, I'll never lie. I'll never
Brave woman. She's brave. Brave to walk. Look at that caravan. That's a big beluga right there.
Maybe I should remove my umbrella. It's bad.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Am I stinky?
Oh, he's just sneezing. Okay, so he's not mad or anything, right? Okay, he's not mad. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look at that magnificent creature. So, folks, here's a few of the kids' rides. You know, it just had to rain on the wrong day. If it wasn't raining, there'd be a bunch of kids out here. But sadly, it rained. I feel bad for the vendors because they set all this up. And just breaking even would have been enough, but they didn't break even. So how much does this cost?
To like climb the wall,
Yeah,
it's $8. And
for the kids, right?
for the kids and adults.
Oh, for kids and adults. Were you guys here this afternoon?
Yeah, we've been here since the 10 o'clock in the morning.
And it's been raining, right?
Yeah, it's been off and on all day.
Okay, but you guys did okay.
Yeah, we did okay.
Did okay considering the rain. But if it wasn't raining, you guys would make like 2-3 times more, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
Wow. And what's your name?
My name is Audrey.
Audrey. Nice to meet you, Audrey.
Nice to meet you.
So we got some brave kids out here that are out battling the rain, and rain or shine, they're out here to have some fun. I just hope it wasn't raining so much. Are those your kids on there? Oh no, she's a kid herself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I thought she was like the mother or stuff. Buenas, hello. And what is the name of your company?
Pit shop.
What?
Pit shop.
How do you spell it?
Here.
Oh, here you go. Oh, the pit shop. I seen you guys around. So this is the pit shop. And how many rides do you guys have? Like,
We have 4, but
Okay.
we don't have the caterpillar.
okay, the 4 rides are this
Yes.
and
The swing and the walk wall.
the walk wall. Where's that at?
This one.
Oh, so 1, 2, 3.
And then we're just missing the caterpillar.
Okay. So you guys are the ones that are doing the caterpillars.
Yes.
I always see those things around.
Yeah,
Those-
for Achamore Village every Wednesday.
Oh, every Wednesday, check it out. This is the pit shop right here's the name. At the pit shop. Look at these brave kids. They're out here, folks. They're out here, even rain or shine. Ain't nothing gonna take them away from having fun. And look at that. Look at that. It didn't spoil everybody's day. Because there's kids like her and this one and the rides over here. They're out here having fun. Rain or shine, they're out here. Oh, buenas. Oh, she loves it up there, huh? She loves it up there. Oh, buenas. And this, how do you pronounce the company's name?
Geftau.
Geftau. Okay, could you tell us a little bit about it?
So Geftau ultimately means giving, right? a family business.
Okay.
And so we also have the stand at Chamorro Village, which serves like the local food, so red rice, tinala chutney, all the kelagwins. You have a kelagwin of the day. And this one is gata on the go. So this is like your hamburger, your hot dogs. And for this event, we have banana donuts, banana lumpia, Vietnamese lumpia.
Oh, Vietnamese lumpia
We
too.
have
Wow.
soy sauce chicken and
cool.
red rice.
Okay, and so your main business is in Chamorro Village?
Yes,
That's where they
the
can
main
find you?
one, yes.
And what about like these events, like these fiestas? Do you guys participate in those too?
Yes.
Okay.
So, Gata on the Go actually started during the Coconut Festival.
Oh.
And so now any festival that comes up, they would ask, and you know, of course, if we're available, then we can
Okay,
join.
so this is Gift Out on the Go. But
Yes.
their main business is at Chamorro Village. Gift Out, folks. So if you see this sign at Chamorro Village, this is what you can expect. Thank you, everybody.
Thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye. Buenas.
Yeah. Hey. 1, 2, yep. Sweeter than honey.
Look.
Ooh.
They braved it today. They came out here in support of Micro Fest. And rain or shine, these folks are out here. Oh, buenas. Always good to see these folks out here braving it. Buenas, everybody. Buenas. No, they come out here to show their support.
Check 1, 2.
Oh, look at this family. Look at their decorations and everything. So islandy. It looks so cool. Look, you guys, this is a beautiful family. Look at them. Look at this one. Wow. Are you guys, it's raining, but are you guys still having a good time?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Even though it's raining?
Rain or
Okay.
shine, we're here.
Are you guys gonna come up and dance?
Yeah, we are.
Yes, thank you. I would love to get some footage of that.
Are you ready for the next performance?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
All right, we're gonna do this one big for Brother Jordan. When I say Hoffa, you say day. Hoffa!
Yes!
Hoffa!
Yes!
Hoffa!
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the beautiful islands of Hawaii, make some noise for Jordan! Say!
I want to come back and capture.
Yeah, well, you can see them. Well, here the knives right here.
Hey, tell us a little bit about these knives.
Like Japanese steel.
Oh, Japanese steel.
You know, there's dull knives are the worst. You know, I
Yes.
love man. There's nothing wrong with you. Never go wrong with a Shinarp knife.
Yes, for real.
Yeah, but that's sourcing the steel from Japan, PG-10 steel. Basically, man, here. I'll show you.
Oh, a little sharp too. Look at the sheath. What is the sheath?
Oh, dude, so these are like these are just leather carbide sheaths.
Wow, cargo sheaths too. are sharp right there.
I'm gonna start a confetti business.
A what?
I'm gonna start a confetti business.
Yeah, with those blades, you could.
Yeah, it's Chenard.
Yeah.
Wow, Chenard. That's right there. Chenard knives.
Hell yeah.
So what's your website? Or do you have a store that we can go?
Yeah, so bladesbycrank.com.
Okay.
You could visit me, send me a message anytime. You can find me on social media, Frank the Crank. You could just check me out anytime.
And you ship off island?
I do ship off island.
For the locals off island? Okay.
Yes, sir. I probably like half of my knives go stateside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I have a good fulfillment team. Shout out to the Blades by Crank team.
Yes.
And then been really blessed, brother. Really blessed. And now not only providing really high quality knives, but now blending in and fusing the culture. So like for example, this knife. So cool little thing. So you see the pattern on the blade? So it's kind of like lasered into the blade, right?
Yes.
So this pattern in particular is pre-Laddie Stone pottery designs on the design found in pottery, you know, and this pottery specifically was found in Ipao.
So that's authentic Chamorro art?
Chamorro art, yes.
Wow.
You know, like so you have pottery, and then on the lip of the pottery, they have designs on them, and this one in particular is from Ipao. And then this one right here, this design is from Atsugao in Saipan. Yeah, so I really like Ipao's designs, and Atsugao is the most really nice, intricate, complex.
So all these patterns, they have a meaning to it, right?
Oh, 100%. Yeah, you know, cause
and then it has your signature on your name. Yes.
But you know, like really, the culture it is food, and you know when you eat with family, that's where a lot of lessons are learned, a lot of stories are told, and a lot of things are being passed down, right? So that's why it's so nice to be a part of the kitchen with Blades by Crank.
And it's made by quality steel too from Japan.
Oh, 100%. Yeah,
from Japan. Look at this. Carabao sheep, folks. Carabao.
Sorry?
Carabao leather.
So feel this, dude. So it's,
oh man,
steel.
look at this. They got weight on this guy too. You can cut anything with this guy. Look at that. Imagine owning one of these.
Yeah, so you know, more like legacy
look
pieces,
at
right?
Handle on that.
So that one's like resin handle. So it's just I actually designed this for mango season.
Oh, you did?
Because it's yellow, right?
So that's your design?
No, it's just like I was asking my then I have a really good blacksmith, and I was like, hey, do you have like if you get like a yellow handle, like a yellow resin, that would be just great.
Wow, they just gotta be here to appreciate it,
right?
To feel it.
Holding it, right?
Yes, you know what? I don't like the flimsy ones. These are not flimsy at all.
Oh, not at all. Yeah,
these are solid.
I made them like a 1/4 inch thick.
Yes, I can tell their quality.
My brother, this one's for you.
Oh, thank you. Gracias.
That's a little machete.
Miniature machete. Oh, gracias. Thank you. Do you have like, oh! Guys, scared me. Hey, watch it. These knives are sharp. Chenard. So, do you have a store that's...
So you can get any of his knives at the local shop at the Ganya Shopping Center.
Oh, a Ganya Shopping Center. So that's where they can find you. Okay. No. Thank you, Chris. One Frank the Crank right there, folks. Chenard, the sharpest knife on island.
down. One more time. Aligan maluig al moreo. Biglutang al maluig al morma. Ngamaral madurangi. At sama lang arakas pangil. Tapi lenda play agong. Engiawaro da araw lao. Hoya. Yang aliega awe. Ikamul matama ale. Adi bang solo, di bang solo. Hoya. Yang aliega awe. Ikamul matama ale. Adi bang solo, di bang solo. Break it down. Bata I, bata aw. Amora baba mora yo, mabetal wansi kamasang. Agadi bang, di bang bang. Bata I, bata aw. Amora baba mora yo, mabetal wansi. Sa aw mang I, mang awa kulli kulla. Amora baba mora yo. Yang aliega awe. Ikamul matama ale. Adi bang soro, di bang soro. Yang aliega awe. Ikamul matama ale. Adi bang soro, di bang soro. Break it down, don't get your freak on. Get your freak on, get your freak on. How low can he go? Get your freak on. How low can he go? Can he go down low all the way to the floor? How low can he go? Can he go down low all the way to the floor? Now dip, baby dip. Now dip, baby dip. Now dip, baby dip. Just lean back, just lean back, just lean back. Huya! Ang aliega awe. Ikaw mo lang matamahali. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Yang aliega awe. Ikaw mo lang matamahali. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Bata ibe, bata awa ka ng sanggang. Sa wakal nila madua maloy. Sa waka otan nila mamanala marahul. At isiguring cambio con le papel. So wakal mo pa il. Ngirang agibogo pang gema. Yang aliega awe. Ikaw mo matamahali. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Yang aliega awe. Ikaw mo matamahali. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Break it down. Bata I, bata aw. Amora baba mora yo, mabetal wansi kamasang. Agadi bang, di bang bang. Bata I, bata aw. Amora baba mora yo, mabetal wansi. Sa aw mang I, mang awa kulli kulla. Amora baba mora yo. Yang aliega awe. Ikaw mo lang matama ale. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Yang aliega awe. Ikaw mo lang matama ale. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Break it down, don't get your freak on, get your freak on, get your freak on. How low can he go? Get your freak on. How low can he go? Can he go down low all the way to the floor? How low can he go? Can he go down low all the way to the floor? Now dip, baby dip. Now dip, baby dip. Now dip, baby dip. Just lean back, just lean back, just lean back. Huya! Ang aliega awe. Ikaw mo lang matamahali. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Yang aliega awe. Ikaw mo lang matamahali. Di bang soro, di bang soro. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Bata ibe, bata awa ka ng sanggang. Sa wakal nila madua maloy. Sa waka otan nila mamanala marahul. At isiguring So wakal mo pa il Wirang nagibuko pang gema Tangaliga awe Ika mo matamahali Adi mong soro, di mong soro Tangaliga awe Ika mo matamahali Adi mong soro, di mong soro Slow down.
Thank you, Guam Nation. Stay tuned for the special performance by.
You were quite a performance up there.
yeah.
Where did you learn how to dance?
From my roots, bro.
Oh, yes, yes.
Work at the section.
One more round, tell him.
One more round.
One more round.
Also known as him in Kalamata. Right there, we're gonna find out why we call him that. Eat that fire! So, yeah, barbecue! Let's rock to her! Yup! Let's go! Make it slow up. What's behind you? Round and round we go. Hey,
just wanna take this moment to say things have been right. Since you got my faults and failures on display, and I know we can take back all the words that we said, and I know we hurt each other sometimes. Still I know our love is stronger than all the negativity. Baby, just look in my eyes, you know, as long as the sun will shine on the eye, know that you're all I want on the side. And I promise to give everything from my heart for you, honey. I never lie, I never lie. Yeah. No one knows me like you're my one and only sweetheart. Every day I try to confirm every reason you love me from the start.